some holes. Hey, how's it going guys? Hope you have a shit one. So right here, we start off early in the morning here in Dreamville Center. In today's video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean the holes of my heads. I know it sounds wrong, but the holes, the intake holes and the exhaust holes, we're gonna smoothen it out as much as possible. And hopefully you can send the head to other shops, so let's get right into it. This is my head right here, just to show you roughly. Inside here you can't really see, but it's rusty. We're gonna make it smooth. Here, this part here, you're gonna send it to shop to smoothen it out. Then also the exhaust. Let me show you the exhaust. It's also very rusty inside. What my friend suggests is we're gonna bore it out to make it bigger, so the airflow is much more and hopefully louder as well. So we got a drill gun and the head here, and some spray, degreaser. We're gonna spray it down, and let's clean some holes. I know that sounds a bit wrong, but yeah. So immediately after we clean, as you can see, it's much cleaner because we need to clean out even more focus. There we go. There's still more to clean here. Just have to wash it, and I'm gonna do the rest of it. So the intake side basically pretty much clean. Probably gonna go through it a bit to wash it a bit. Then we're gonna do the exhaust side. So I just washed down the block. So far looks okay. Even the inside here are all clean. This is the exhaust side. So also the internal, we're gonna port it a little bit big, but exterior wise this is as clean as we can go. So yeah, so far so good. So guys, right now I'm just resting. Literally took me the whole morning to clean this head. I mean, you don't have to, but you know, I want to try to make it as clean as new. But overall, I'm really happy with the result. The next thing that we need to do is to port the exhaust hole to make it slightly bigger. And yeah, the head is right here, just letting it to dry. So this is the gearbox for the engine. While my friend is busy, I'm just gonna try to also clean the exteriors of this gearbox. Let's see how much we can get it done. This is the result after I do all the cleaning. Not the cleanest, but this is much better, as you can see. And this transmission still works perfect. So yeah. Hey, how's it going guys? Today is a new day, and what we are going to do today is we're gonna port the holes of the exhaust and the intake to make it smooth, so, and also to make it bigger for the airflow. So it's also the first time when my friend tried to do this, and so far he tried it on another head. Seems like it's going well and it's really smoothen everything out, so hopefully everything goes well with this one. Let's go. Now I know you guys can't really see, but this is the exhaust side. We're basically gonna port the internal of this, smoothen it out, and to also make it bigger. So what I'm doing right here, I'm gonna try to port it myself first, because there is one sort of like a dimple there where I need to bore it out to smoothen everything, and then later I'll get my friend to advise me to what to do. So again, it's our first time doing this, and hopefully it's alright. So what we are doing here is, you can see the black line. My friend told me it's a pot matching where you get the gasket, the other gasket, and you draw the line. Basically, this line acts as a guideline for us that we do not overpour it. So yeah. By the looks of it, this looks like a lot of metal need to shave off, but I'm not gonna go over it lah. Just make sure it's smooth inside. So this is my first time doing this porting using this one, and I can tell you it's quite scary because you are shaving off metals. So this is the after. Of course, haven't polished yet. Let's port it, make it smooth. And this is before, as you can see, it's quite rough. So we're gonna port it and polish it at the same time. We're gonna use this to polish it off. This tool to polish it off inside there later, to make it even more shiny and smooth.
Hey, Paran, yours auto right? You want to try to work it lah?
Now what I'm doing here is I'm using this sandpaper to smoothen out the surface of the exhaust to make it even more smooth.